Assalamualaikum friends, here is gym fitness flare bundle. Total file is 4 for Photoshop. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. And here is a font you can download on this website. Okay, double click here and you see in layer area you can import your own photo and change anything. Here is a background shape, you see. Here is a shadow color. Double click and you see here you can change anything. Okay, here is a light, your photo is here, you see. You can change anything. Okay, import any other photo and press Ctrl S for saving. Okay, now sorry, these files are CMYKK, that mean printable file, not RGB. You see here, import any photo. For example, here is a gym, drag there. Oh. Depend your own choice, you can adjust your photo. Okay, and next is don't wait fitness time. Okay, same thing here, import your photo and adjust here, drag there. Enter. Okay, here color or write any text. No, last is same thing here, just open and write anything. Here is text folder, you see, and change anything. I hope these are useful for you. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. I love